Have you ever had to come up with a quick centerpiece? Well, I had a little bit of an issue in my house and I had to come up with a quick fix. So this video is just going to show you how I dealt with it and inexpensively and quickly. So come with me and I will show you what we did. So here's what happened. We had a beautiful Thanksgiving dinner and unfortunately we put something down without putting enough padding. So now I've got that white cloudy spot. It took the finish off right there. Now, like I said, you could redo the whole table, but I just don't feel like it's worth it. And I don't have the time right now to do something, a big project like that. So for now, here's a quick fix. So this is what I've had on the dining room table as a centerpiece. I really didn't put any thought into it at all. I just plopped a candle on the middle of the table and that was it. So this is what we're changing from. I mean, it says nothing. Okay. All right, so the first thing I have to do is hide that mark on the table. So a table runner is going to do the trick for me, because thankfully it was sort of in the center of the table where this will hide it. This table runner I got from Home Goods. It's $12.99. I like it a lot. I like the way that it goes with the curtains and the way it breaks up the table. But I don't like the fact that it's not long enough. It should fit the same way like a tablecloth fits. It should drop down lower than that. So I went back and picked up another one. And that's what I picked up. So the size on this was 90 inches. Okay. So like I said, it was $12.99. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the two table runners together and then make it fit the way that I want to. So that's just going to be a quick seam. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, first step is done. So that's the runner and I've sewed the seam in the center. You can see. And I think that's going to be hidden the best right there because it'll be underneath the centerpiece. And then at the ends, I just did a simple stitch across. You know, just turned it under, a simple stitch across, and pressed it out. And there you go. Okay, so here's the centerpiece finished. And I started with the base that I got at Home Goods, and it's just a wooden tray. And I created the centerpiece on top of that. So it's two of the same flower pots, which I really like. Got them at Home Goods as well. They were $14 each. And the tray, I think, was about $24. That centerpiece, that candle, I had in my living room, but I like it better here. And then I just filled the outside edge with sea glass that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. Just that different aquas sea glass. And then I just scattered a couple of shells. And very simple. I think I'm going to glue those shells down, though, so they don't move around. And I really like the way it came out. It's just very simple, but it's a quick fix to my problem. So I know I've been showing you guys in all of these new construction homes that when they're staging, they're using these big center floral pieces and centerpieces. But in my house, that doesn't really work. As much as I'd love to do that, I know that my family would be moving that centerpiece around so that they could see each other over the dinner table. So for me, this lower centerpiece is a better situation. And then to just finish it, I added my 4 aqua teal placemats. I like to just pick up that pop of color. And I like it comes off of the painting, a little bit in the sea glass, just to put a little pop of aqua throughout the room. So this was definitely a quick fix that didn't cost a lot of money, didn't take a lot of time, and was easy to do. So I'm happy, served my purposes. Thanks guys for watching that. I hope it was helpful. And remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you ever have any projects that you have a problem with or that you'd like to see me handle, please just put it in the comments below. And everyone have a wonderful week. See you next week.